Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Born Pretty reached out to me and they sent me these gel polish colors for me to try out and show you guys. So I am gonna go ahead and show you guys the swatches. These are 5 colors. I'm a huge fan of these pastel colors. I'm gonna go ahead and start with some nail prep. I am just taking my sanding band and I am removing shine from my natural nails. So I am creating a peel off base coat today. I am going to apply some cuticle oil on my nails, just a tiny bit. I'm going to rub that in, and after that I am going to apply some top coat and I'm going to cure it in the lamp for about 30 seconds. But if you want your nails to stay on for longevity, I'm always going to recommend for you to use primer and dehydrator. Here I am just using base gel as my adhesive for my nails. Since nail glue can't really stick on to top coat, it's too slippery and it's just too smooth. So I do have to use base gel. I do cure this in the lamp. I did do some slight shaping on my nails and I trimmed them down just a tiny bit. Now I'm gonna take my sanding band again and I'm blending the tip with the nail. After I'm done with that, I am going to take some top coat and I'm going to apply that on all of my nails and cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds. Here is the slip solution that I'm using today. Of course, this is optional. You can use alcohol, and this is the polygel that I am using today. I'm going to start by placing a bead at the tip of my nail. I'm going to work my way upwards, and after I'm done with that, I am going to add a cuticle bead. Here's how the application looks. I went ahead and wiped off the sticky layer from the POLYGEL just so we can begin filing. So I wanted to show you guys my mixing plate so you can see the colors that I am working with. I did mix the yellow and blue together to give me that green. I did add a little bit of too much blue to the yellow because it ended up blending in when I was trying to work on the rainbow. Maybe it was just me, but it looked like the blue and the green kind of blended in together, probably because they are pastel colors, so they're not going to have that pop. Another thing about these gels is that I kind of wish they were a little more pigmented, because when I was doing the art, I did kind of have to go in with the second layer with some of the colors. For example, the yellow and the orange, I did have to go in with the second layer, but overall these gel polishes are pretty good. I like the color consistency on these, and Born Pretty typically has a really good gel polish collection, and they usually have a really good selection of colors as well, so make sure you guys go ahead and check that out. I have the link in my bio. Please don't forget to use my code thenailwizrd10 at checkout. You get a percentage off of your purchase.
In a residential area.
So here are how the nails turned out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I'm actually really surprised of how good these came out. I have everything I used linked in the description box. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.